Today, we have an exciting comparison for you between two of the hottest foldable phones on the market, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Both offer unique features and exceptional performance, but which one is the right choice for you? Let's dive in and find out. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is here with great software support and performance. But before you make your decision, consider Motorola's Razr 50 Ultra. It's not only equipped with a bigger outer screen and better cameras, but also surprisingly costs less. We'll break down the key differences between these two impressive devices to help you make an informed decision. Starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, this phone is a powerhouse. It uses a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which Samsung claims is faster than the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in many top-tier phones. With 12 gigs of RAM and a larger vapor chamber for cooling, the Z Flip 6 ensures smooth performance, especially during intensive tasks like high-end gaming or video editing. On the other hand, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is no slouch either. It also features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 12 gigs of RAM, but its performance is closer to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. In everyday use, you might not notice much difference between the two. The real variations appear in power-hungry tasks, where the Z Flip 6 has a slight edge. One of the most significant differences between these two phones is their outer screens. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a 3.4-inch LED screen similar to its predecessor, the Z Flip 5. This screen supports Samsung widgets for quick access to modifications, calendar events, and music controls. While it does support some Android apps approved by Samsung, it's not as versatile as you might hope. In contrast, the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra boasts a larger 4-inch OLED outer screen that covers most of the phone's exterior. Not only does it have a faster 120Hz refresh rate, but it also offers more features. Thanks to its size, you can use any app on your phone without opening it up. Whether it's navigating with Google Maps, watching YouTube videos, or playing games, the Razr 50 Ultra's outer screen handles it all. It also has widgets you can swipe to access, similar to Samsung's offering. When investing in a new smartphone, software updates are crucial. You want to ensure your device stays updated with the latest features and security patches. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra promises 3 major updates, taking it to Android 17 and security updates for an extra year. While this is decent, it's not exceptional for a high-end phone. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 stands out with an impressive commitment to software support. Samsung promises 7 major updates, keeping the Z Flip 6 up to date until Android 21. This is one of the longest software support promises in the industry, making it a great choice for those who value longevity. Let's talk cameras. The Razr 50 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 both received camera upgrades this year, but the Razr 50 Ultra takes the lead in terms of resolution. Both phones feature a 50-megapixel main camera. However, the Razr 50 Ultra also includes a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens, whereas the Z Flip 6 has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While the Z Flip 6 ultra-wide lens improves refresh rate, impressive camera setup, and cost-effectiveness make it stand out. That's all for today. What are your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. And as always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yun also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.